As one of the most iconic luxury SUVs, the Cadillac Escalade always turns heads. The year 2025 brings new innovations with the arrival of the Cadillac Escalade V, a high-performance variant that promises a combination of luxury and speed. Exterior design. The Escalade V takes inspiration from the incredible design of the previous generation Escalade, with a more aggressive twist. The larger front grille with chrome accents provides a stronger and more dominant appearance, while the sharp body lines add a sporty and elegant impression. Engine performance. Under the hood, the Escalade V has a very powerful twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This engine is capable of producing more than 600 horsepower, making it one of the fastest SUVs in its class. A smooth 10-speed automatic transmission delivers power to all wheels, providing a fun and responsive driving experience. Interior technology. The interior of the Escalade V is not only luxurious, but also sophisticated. The large touchscreen with the latest infotainment system provides a variety of entertainment and connectivity features. A premium audio system fills the cabin with clear, rich sound, while leather-trimmed seats provide maximum comfort to passengers. Security features. Cadillac has paid attention to safety by including advanced features such as automatic braking, collision warning, and 360-degree cameras. These features work together to provide maximum protection to the driver and passengers, making the Escalade V one of the safest SUVs on the road. With a combination of stunning design, impressive performance, and advanced technology, the Cadillac Escalade V is a great choice for those who want a luxury SUV that can also provide a thrilling driving experience.